Welcome back to Python for AI and Machine Learning. I am Dr. Azad Rasool, and in this lecture, we are covering how to save and share Google Colab notebooks. Saving and sharing notebooks is key to keeping your work safe and collaborating with others. In previous lectures, you set up Colab and run AI models like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Now, you need to know how to save your work to avoid losing it and share it with your teammates or instructors. Today, you will learn to save notebooks to Google Drive, download them locally, and share them securely. By the end, you will be ready to manage and collaborate on your AI ML projects. Let's get started. First, saving Colab notebooks. Let's start with saving your Colab notebooks, whether you are training a model or visualizing data. Saving ensures your work is safe. Here is how to do it step by step in Colab. Save to Google Drive. Open your Colab notebook. Click File and then click Save. Or use the shortcut Ctrl S. This saves the notebook to your Google Drive in a folder called Colab Notebooks by default. For example, this is my drive and this is Colab Notebooks. All my Colab notebooks saved inside this folder. And also we have data and checkpoints. You can also click File, save a copy in Drive. To create a duplicate, this is great for experimenting without changing the original file. Rename your notebook. Click the notebook title at the top and give it a meaningful name. For example, running TensorFlow and PyTorch. We give it, for example, the date. Then enter. Or click on File, then rename. This helps you find it later. Download locally. To save a copy to your computer, click File, Download, then download as .py or .ipinb. This creates a Jupyter Notebook file. You can open locally or share. It's saved in the download folder. For example, I opened it in my laptop. Now check saved versions. Click File, then Revision History to see past versions of your notebook. This is like a time machine. If you mess up, you can restore an earlier version. You can see here difference between two versions and we can restore. Try this now. Open Colab notebook, save it to Drive, rename it, and download it. It's that simple to keep your AI and ML work secret. Sharing Colab notebooks. Now let's share your notebook for collaboration, like working with a team on a project. Colab makes sharing easy since notebooks are stored in Google Drive. Here is how. Locate the notebook. In Google Drive, find your notebook in the Colab Notebooks folder. Right click, then share. Set permissions. Enter the email address of people you want to share with, like teammates or your instructor. Choose their role. Viewer only see the notebook, great for showing results. Commenter can edit comments, useful for feedback. Editor can edit and run code, perfect for team projects. Then send. Share anyway. Copy shareable link. Click copy link and choose anyone with the link for broader sharing or restrict it to specific people. For security, set it to viewer unless collaboration is needed. Right click, share, copy link. Then you can share it with your mates. Test sharing. Share a link with yourself to test it. Open the link in a new browser to ensure it works as expected. Try sharing a notebook with a friend as a viewer and check if they can see it. You are now ready to save and share Colab notebooks. Here are some best practice to make your workflow smooth. Save frequently. Use Ctrl S during long coding sessions to avoid losing work. Organize notebooks. Create subfolders in Google Drive's Colab Notebooks folder, like crop health or high quality for easy access. Secure sharing. Use viewer permissions for public sharing to prevent unwanted edits and editor for trusted collaborators. Then back up locally. Download .ipinb files regularly as a backup, especially for important projects. Complete the coding to save and share a notebook and try the quiz to test your skills, share your experience in the Q&A forum. I'd love to hear how you are organizing your projects. Let's keep your AI ML journey going.